Hello kids! Today I'm gonna tell you the moral story named Parrot and Crow. Once upon a time, in a colorful forest, there was a smart parrot named Harry and a silly crow named Danny. Harry was known for her cleverness, while Danny often made foolish decisions. One sunny day, Harry and Danny found a basket of fruits left by a kind farmer. Harry suggested they share the fruits with the other animals in the forest. But Danny, being greedy, wanted to keep them all for himself. As they argued, a hungry squirrel approached them. Harry, without hesitation, shared the fruits with the squirrel. Showing kindness and generosity, Danny, on the other hand, refused to share and ended up losing all the fruits when mischievous monkey stole them. While he wasn't looking. So, the moral of the story is kindness and sharing bring happiness, while greed and selfishness lead to loss and unhappiness. I hope you all like this beautiful moral story. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.